Hey Frank, thanks for the pictures. I'm glad Nick sent you here. Hopefully I'll help give you some ideas. You get some great palm trees and stuff in the yard, and I think there's some cool things you could do. So I agree with your comments. I definitely think uplighting is going to be the way to go for most of it. Some of the pictures are a little small, but I think I get the idea quite well. But what I would do is I would focus on uplighting, a couple of these palm trees in the front here. Usually I would like to highlight the architectural feature, maybe light the wall, but I think because these palm trees are pretty prominent, you're going to want to light those, as well as I would probably try and light this one here, and then I would probably try and get like two lights and highlight this one in the front here as well. And I would focus on the front as pretty much just palm trees. If there's maybe another tree or over here you might want to light. This one, it just depends how close it is. If it's too close to this one, I would focus just on the palm tree and not worry about that one so much. And then maybe if there is a little, looks like possibly a little tree over here, that might be one you want to light. So, but I don't think you need much, 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 uplights in the front, I think would do a great job. Around the side here, this is a little tricky, but if I was to light this, I would do it actually from behind. I would actually light the wall behind with some accent lights, because it's going to be tricky to get anything in the front without having or without creating a bunch of maintenance issues. So if you could get them behind and just highlight that wall, maybe 4 or 5 of those, will also look really cool, because the wall will be lit and you'll see the kind of silhouettes of all the shrubs here. We do that often. I think that would be a really, really cool look and something a little bit different that you're not going to see in a lot of landscape plans. So that's maybe what I would do there. So, again, you're maybe, 5 to 8 uplights in the front. And then back here, I agree with, maybe a couple path lights in this area, maybe 2 or 3 of them. But probably at the most, and then I would I would focus on the big beautiful palm trees and lighten up the trunks of these as much as possible with the uplight there. I would try and get some uplights back in here, maybe 1, 2, 3 of them back in here to really light up some areas on this. You don't need to light every tree. What I would recommend is if you go to our website at lightingdoctor.ca, and I'll just bring you to our shop page. We have all our kits that you can kind of look through, but then also you can play around. You can build your own just by adding these different fixtures to your cart, and then usually just adding a wiring kit, and then the try before you buy lights. So this is where you can actually just buy one of these lights at a discounted rate, and this would be a good option because you can go and take this now, hook it to like a little sorry, and it's probably cutting out in my screen here, but you can hook this little light up to a 9-volt battery. Sorry, and then go and test it in some of these areas and see what really is going to look good. So again, because there's so much dense trees in here, I would probably try and get like at least 3 in there. I would definitely light these taller palm trees, a couple path lights in here, and then along this back fence, again, I would pick and choose 2 or 3 of these palms to light up. And then for sure what I would do is I would have an uplight on all of these, because those are beautiful trees, and because of the textured trunks on them, they always look amazing. So I would definitely do that. So you are looking at a fair bit of uplights, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 uplights there. If we go back here, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 uplights in the back, 8 uplights in the front, and then a few path lights. So something you might want to consider is if you go to our website, obviously this would be a good start. The try it before you buy it light, and sorry my screen's a little small, but you can get it at a discounted rate, and it's actually cheaper in the United States. And then you can go and you can try that light out and see how it's going to look on your property and light up a few of those areas. But then the other thing you could do is, if you're looking at that many lights, something to do is the kit that you might want to consider is actually this one here, this premium accent lighting kit, because it's going to have a lot of uplights in it. And what we can do is when you order it, if you send a note that maybe you just want, say maybe you just want 16 uplights and then you want the other 4 to be path lights, we can go and we can swap some of these out. So let me know what you think. Hopefully that gives you a pretty good idea. If you want to send me some more pictures to get a little bit more clarification, I can. Some of the pictures were a little small, so kind of giving you my best thoughts, but let me know what you think and we'll go from there. All right, thanks. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that video. I hope you guys got some great ideas for your own do-it-yourself landscape lighting projects. If you want your own free consultation video, like I said before, email me your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca and be sure to check out our try it before you buy it light. Again, where you get one premium grade fixture and a King Innovation Instalight battery operated demo kit that you can go and test those lights out on your property before you make any big purchases. So I hope to see you guys again soon, and again, go get your free consultations by emailing your pictures or visit us at lightingdoctor.ca. Thanks so much for watching.